To edit your profile, click the Account tab in the left side menu and select Profile. At the top, on the right side of your name, there's a first pencil icon. Click it to edit your name, surname, add a headline to your account, or to add some contact info. Below the headline, there's a Ask Me About section. You can list your skills and areas of expertise there. To do so, just click Add Skill, specify the skill and level of your competence, and click Save. Below Skills section, there's About section. Click the pencil icon on the right to edit it. Please be mindful that we will add the link for your mentoring session. The rest of this section is up to you to complete. At the bottom, there's Experience section. Click Add Experience to list your current and previous occupations, titles, and positions.